Are you looking landing page conversion rate like this 88.89% or maybe like this 92.52%, or you might be looking a lot of unique visitor. In this video, learn how to create a landing page for affiliate marketing promoting ClickBank affiliate product with simple and easy steps. So if you're first time here guys, do subscribe my channel Affiliate Conversion, where I'm uploading the videos on Monday and Thursday. And if you're looking to make money online, this is the right channel to subscribe right away, right now. With that said guys, let's dive in. So the first step is guys to select the offer. Right now we are in the ClickBank marketplace. They have a lot of different categories guys. So right now we are getting into home and garden. So under home and garden guys, here you can see this, they have the product like Ted's Woodworking, right, brain training for dogs, my shed plans, right, doggy den online, all this guys. So we're going to select this one, right, Ted's Woodworking, and let's open their sales page guys as well as affiliate page so that we can get some idea to create our landing page. So this is their sales page guys. Here you can see this is video sales letter, and very important thing here is guys, all this video sales letter or the written sales letter can help you to create your landing page, because you will get a lot of ideas, right, all this, right, headlines you can see here, and you can optimize all these things guys. So spend little time on the video sales letter guys, or as well as, right, written sales letter, so that you can get some good idea which persuade people to click the in your landing page, right. Landing page is not about guys dumping with some different kinds of words. I'm going to show you, right, how to structure that thing. So do not forget to watch this video till the end and give the likes to this video guys if this provide you the values. So they have given affiliate resources guys, which is really important. Any good offer will definitely going to give you this kinds of, right, affiliate resources for any affiliate marketer, so that, right, they can promote easily, and with that it's a win-win guys. Both will make money on this, okay, vendor plus the, right, affiliate marketer. So here you can see this, they have given custom lander, banner, PPC keyword, Facebook advertisement with the Facebook, right, email swipe and all those things. And if you go down guys, here you can see they have given different landing page, right, according to the traffic, okay, according to their conversion also. For the first landing page, here you can see this guys, this convert really well. But if you're targeting with the Facebook ad guys, this will not going to work, because Facebook don't want autoplay as well as guys exit pop-up. So here you can see this one is good, right, Facebook PPC friendly, no exit pop-up, no video autoplay. This is compliant with Facebook ad policies. So let's open this, let's see this guys. So this is their, right, sales page guys, and here you can see this, there is no autoplay or any kind of a pop-up. You have to spend little bit time in this sales page also guys, because you have to see, right, all these things, because this will give you a lot of idea to create your landing page, because your landing page and your offer page guide should have relevancy. Otherwise guys, right, Facebook is going to disable your ad, or if you're running with Google ad guys, they are not going to run your ad. Okay, so relevancy is the key that I'm going to show you in a second. So you can spend some time in the sales page so that you can get some content for your landing page, as well as guys, also I will recommend you to get into their add to cart, this one, checkout page. So it's very important guys, you should spend some time to see whether the checkout page is easy or not. Okay, if it's easy, people will right, put all their details, and if they click and they buy, you'll make a commission. You can also check other video sales letter, and you can also see, right, which angle is good for you. For example guys, here they are talking about 50 free plan. That means if you're collecting the, right, emails, this will be very good to give as a lead magnet guys. So here you can see this guys, they are offering 50 woodworking plans and 440 page guidebook. So you can offer this thing. That means guys, if you're whatever the landing page you're using, you have to recreate this thing, okay. So they have given already the good conversion landing page idea, but here we are not going to go and give any lead magnet like this guys. So my planning to create a landing page where guys, I just want to collect the emails, but I want to send them to this sales page guys. So I want to promote this video, and then I want to collect the emails, which I called as guys the objective or the goal of landing page. This is the second very important step after, right, you're picking the product, and that is guys, what is the goal of landing page? Do you want to collect the emails, or do you want to collect the email as well as you want to send them to the sales funnel? Okay, generally I create the sales funnel guys. For example, they will go to thank you page, and then they will go to the first time offer and all those kind of things. Okay, that's up to you. Or you just want to redirect to the offer, okay, from your landing page. This you have to decide. If your goal of your landing page fail guys, or if you do not set up the goal of landing page, your entire campaign will fail guys, even whatever the budget you have, whatever the traffic source you have. So right now guys, our targeting is right just to collect the email as well as guys to redirect to the offer. We are going to promote this video as the angle of our landing page. So the third important step is guys to creating the landing page. To create the landing page guys, here I am using GetResponse. It's an email marketing software guys, which will have a lot of features like email marketing, right, autoresponder, that means email sequence, right, automation, and also you can create a landing page. So if you're a beginner guys, or if you are into tight budget guys, it is completely free for 30 days guys, and you don't need any credit card on those 30 days guys to use. And after that guys, it is just $15. The link of this software is given in the description guys. That is the first link in the description. So now let's create the right landing page. Here you can see this guys, they have this option of creating landing page. So click this one here. So here you can see this guys, they have lot of different templates guys. You don't need to start from scratch. You can select any of these template guys, also according to the template which you want, right? Look at this: download, sales, sign up and registration, which we are going to do right now, right? But I love to create from the scratch. So for that guys, you can click here, right, build from scratch, and look at this, they have a lot of different templates over here to build from the scratch. So you can select this one, Woodworking 101. Next step. So here you can see this guys, this is amazing drag and drop features it is, right? You can drag and drop anything from here. It's very good for any beginner guys. So do not forget to check the link in the description for this. But before we create a landing page for this woodworking offer guys, let's understand this framework of creating landing page, which I call guys landing page conversion anatomy with the AIDA framework. So AIDA guys, this is very old way of writing landing page guys. This works amazing, and AIDA stand for attention, interest, desire and action. This is really important guys. Once if you learn this, only this one guys, you can create any landing page of any, right, ClickBank offer or any affiliate offer. Okay, just this is just a basic guys. Now by using the AIDA framework guys, we are going to create our landing page. According to the AIDA framework guys, the first thing is guys, attention grabbing headline or subheadline, which hook the targeted audience in our landing page. To write the headline guys, we have to get into the sales page. This is where we want to redirect to the pupil. Okay, and we can get a lot of right idea by reading all these things from here. As well as guys, as I said, the written sales page is amazing. They also have a video here on right there, written sales page. So now guys, I want to create an angle guys, and every landing page or I ad have an angle to promote. So I want to right, target the audience, or I want to say the audience, stating that this video is going to reveal how to get 16,000 woodworking plan. Okay, I don't want to send them right to get 16,000 woodworking plan. I just want to say watch this video to know how to get 16,000 woodworking plan. So according to that guys, my landing page, this is the headline which says guys, free video reveals, because this video is completely free guys. Okay, how to get, like how to get, here you can see this announcing the world largest collection of 16,000 woodworking plans. So this is the sales page. I think this is good, right? It will take a lot of time guys to write this, so I already know this offer, that's why I'm going little quickly. Okay, so for you, you can get some idea right how I am writing. So you can remove all this which you don't want it, and this is amazing, right? It's very, you can drag and drop this, and you can reduce the font also here in this, like I just want to keep like 40 here. Okay, so free video reveals how to get the world largest collection of 16,000 woodworking plan, right? Generally I start my landing page right asking the question in the top, drag some right some text over here, like asking the questions. Okay, attention woodworker, like let me see here, right, how can I put something there, right, asking questions, right? So here right, struggle to find the detailed plan to build your dream project. We can use this one, just a simple headline, free video reveals how to get the world largest collection of 16,000 woodworking plan. You can write better than me guys, I'm just showing to you right how to using this formula. Okay, the another thing is guys, a sub headline. So again, if you get into here, you'll get something right which will right really going to work awesome. Okay, make 16,000 project with step-by-step plan even if you don't have a large workshop and expensive tools. Okay, this is something right really amazing. So we will use this one here. Subheadline should always guys right describe your headline. Okay, make 16,000 project with step-by-step plan even if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tools. So this is a right, you're giving a solution to them. Okay, that even if you don't have a large workshop or expensive tool, you can use this. Okay, it's just simple. You can give the background, guys, right, according to this, right? For example, look at this, the background, you can get all those things with AIDA framework, guys. The second thing is grabbing the interest, right? So then some bullet points, the benefits, guys. Never use the feature of the product, okay? Always use the benefits of the product. Or you can also show them a image, guys. Showing an image and video is always works very, very well. Okay, for this, guys, we can get into here in our right sales page, and here you can see these are the image you can use. And if you want to use this, guys, the bullet points, you can give these bullet points like step-by-step instructions, cutting and material list. Okay, so you should not show everything over there in the landing page, guys, otherwise they will not going to click to watch the video. Here you can drag some image, right? So I have this for use. So here you can see this, guys. This we can give in this size. You can increase the size and all those things which you can do. So here I put some points, guys, right now. Okay, and here you can see this, right? This point is collected from here, right? What you're getting in TEDS Woodworking from the sales page, guys. That's why sales page is really important from here. And do not dump a lot of things, guys, because you can't convert with one landing page, guys. You have to test this landing page with the paid ad, and then you have to make it, right, very simple and relevant. Now, according to AIDA framework, guys, the next thing is, right, inserting the desire, right? In the desire level, guys, you can give reviews, testimonials, trust seals, media, something like this. So here you can see this, they have a lot of testimonials. You can give all these things right there, or a reviews related something, right? Review and all. So if you see this landing page, guys, I already given a lot of information in this landing page, guys. So I don't want to put any reviews and all those things here. Okay, that's up to you. As I said, guys, it's a individual's right creativity, and then later you have to test those creativity with the paid ads, guys. Then only you get the success with your landing page. So now I already given this point here. So I don't want to give any reviews or all those things. I simply just I want to put the button or the form, right, to collect the email. So in case if I'm not giving this right points, guys, I will increase the size of this image over here simply, and then simply I will give the form, right, to collect the email. That's it. Okay, I just want to keep it simple. That's really, really important, right? As well as I just want to keep it, right, curious to people so that they can go and watch the video. So now, guys, the next one is action, right? That is email form or the button here. For here, guys, I'm just putting this right form here. So this is how the landing page looks right now, right? Watch the video now. So anybody's going to put the email, right? It will be collected in my autoresponder. So if you want to simply redirect to the the sales page, you can use the button here, right? Simple button which will make a click on it. The audience will go to the offer page. Okay, just very, very simple. And also we have a privacy policy and disclaimer, right? You can give in the bottom. So you can make a lot of changes in the landing page, guys, because you can't expect the conversion with this simple landing pages. Right, I'm going to split test this landing page with another landing page using the same, right, this AIDA framework. Okay, and on that, guys, maybe I'm going to remove these points. Okay, and I'm going to just increase the size of this image over here, and right, I'm going to test that thing again, right, with that. So then only you can get the best converting landing page, guys. So it's all about testing your landing page. So hope you got some point, guys, right, how to use this AIDA framework in any of your landing page. Hope so you got some value from this. If you got the value from this, guys, give the likes to this video, right? Just smash that like button over there. Let me know in the comment, guys, how do you like this video, what you learn, or you want to know something with this. Okay, and do subscribe my channel. Thank you. And you're looking to make a passive income, right, online working from home, guys, watch this video right now, right away.